What is the output of this Python code? As you can see, a list is given. We are trying to sort it using the sorting method, and then we are printing the outcome. So the question is, which one of these four is the right answer? Okay, we do the sort of the list, and list has 11 items, starting from 0 going up to 10. This is the sorting method, and it requires a key or a formula for sorting, which uses or relies on a Lambda function, which is an anonymous function in Python that says grab any number from the list x and then check the x modulo 4. The result of x modulo 4 is just the remainder of dividing x by 4, which can be 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, there is another catch here. We have reverse is true. So that means in the sorting process, do the ordering from the largest number down to smallest number, decreasing. Okay, so out of these numbers, you can see that 3, 7 are the ones that when we divide them by 4, the residual remainder is 3, the largest outcome. So that's why they have to appear first. Then you can see that next one are 2, 6, and 8. 2, 6, and 10. So 2, 6, and 10. When you divide 2, 6, and 10, each of them by 4, the remainder is 2. So they come next because the remainder of these guys, when you divide by 4, the result of x modulo operation is 2. And then finally we have the pack of 1, 5, 9. So you have the pack of, say, 1, 5, and 9. When you divide them, each of them by 4, you get a residual remainder that is 1. And the last remaining numbers are they are 0, 4, 8 because they are divisible by 4. The remainder is just 0. So that's the order we should have in place, and therefore this is the right answer. Rest of them are not providing the right ordering. I hope that this is helpful.